Hey y'all, so these are my designs that I decided to go with for this first round. I wanted to do logos, and this one of course is the flyer from early in our degree program when we did a farmer's market and the logo for it. The Toby Eats and the menu or ones I did on the side for a friend's little side business. She makes cupcakes and cookies and things. So this is her logo that I made with the blue background that she currently has on her Facebook. Side note, all of my designs are used in Illustrator just because I feel more comfortable in Illustrator, especially since these were all made up to almost a year ago. I did rework them a little, I did update them a little, just because we have learned so much since then. But this is her logo, and then here is her menu, and she really wanted it cute and popsy, and so I used really kind of cutesy colors. I did the outline with the logo because that looked really cute. She loved it, and everything's really easy to see, and for the menu. Here's the logo for the farmer's market. This one I really didn't touch up too much since the last time I turned it in, because I was fairly happy with it. Besides, maybe if I was to put it like say on the flyer, I removed the white background. But here we go. These are my designs.